The price of a 43-inch TCL TV varies depending on the model and features. In India, budget-friendly models like the TCL 43P615 or 43P715 typically cost between 25,000 to 35,000 rupees, offering full HD or 4K UHD resolution with HDR support. These models are ideal for casual viewing and come with the Roku TV platform for seamless access to streaming apps. For higher-end models in the TCL C series or QLED series, which offer better picture quality, Dolby Vision, and advanced display technologies, prices can range from 40,000 to 60,000 rupees or more, depending on promotions or retailer discounts. Prices may vary slightly on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or local stores, so it's worth comparing deals before purchasing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.